Hi guys, Elistria here. This is just a little quick video. Do you see this golden deliciousness right here? This is some good old homemade chickpea flour, garbanzo bean flour. The store was out and I need to make my recipe. So guess what? I bought some, with my little dish towel, some chickpeas from Great Value. Y'all know that's Walmart. 1 pound costs $1.12, I believe it was. So I put them in my handy dandy Ninja, 1500 watts. Ah, bless the Lord, yes. You need a high powered blender. I put them in and I mixed them up, shook it, blended it again. Now with the Ninja, you do have to be careful because it does heat up as it blends. So, and I've been working, so that's why you see the little cinnamon and things on there. But I'm going to sift this flour and show you how awesome it is. I'm baking. Y'all see my toothpicks? Yeah, back over here. So I'm going to sift the flour and show you how awesome it is. Hold on just 1 second. Okay guys, so the flour is all dumped out and I am sifting because I don't want any hard pieces in my flour. Look, chickpea flour. It's going to be so awesome. So you guys see how wonderful and easy it is to make your own flours at home. Now the harder pieces that are in there, I'm going to put them back into the blender and do another go round because we want to use all of that, okay? So just a little quick video to show you that you can make your own flours at home if you have a high powered blender.